It's an ugly rainy day out, so we're not doing really much anything. Gonna fix something in the garage. Good morning, Philippines! But right now, we're gonna make a nice little arugula salad. It's just arugula with some little tomatoes, some onion. Gonna mix it up till I find the clamps for it. And then we put mozzarella cheese in it.
Oh, salad guys, healthy. You usually put a little bit of oil and a little bit of...
And I will, but not yet. It's nothing like
oil and what is it? Lemon?
Vinegar.
Oh, vinegar, lemon.
It should be already cut.
So he's making it and I will show you later when it's done. Right? And tomato is in there, right?
Tomato's in there.
It's not a really good day today.
Put a little oil. Make it nice. We'll put some pepper. We'll put a little parsley. I have to go downstairs and get some lemon juice. Did I find it? There it is.
May lemon, may salad, and regular na si Mr. for dinner and for lunch, whatever. So, kami lang naman kakain yan, guys.
And that's it, guys.
That's it. That's the two of us.
Very simple.
Simple arugula, Tommy arugula. So yan with cheese and how do you call this? What kind of cheese?
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella cheese and then tomato and then onion. So yeah.
Hi guys, thanks for watching.
Yeah, it's really windy outside. You can see, guys. Oh, it's windy. So we're staying home and we don't go nowhere.
What's up, Monica Barrio? My son's bouncing around, following me to see if I'm going to give him something special. This is the special thing he wants. Oh, there he is. Get off the table. Roxy wants to. Look at that tongue going. I don't know. There's no bonding here. He wants food, I give him food, that's it.
That's your bonding with him.
And there comes, it's when he bonds with his sister, who also wants what he gets.
Tell her to come up.
I don't have to tell her to come up, she just come up with her tongue far out of her mouth.
She likes it too.
Can we share with Roxy? Can we share? Look, Roxy wants a little bit. Can we share a little bit? Can we share a little bit with Roxy? We give her a little bit. Okay, a little bit. Roxy's tongue can like come out Hobbs' whole face. Hobbs can't get that because you have a big tongue.
Banat rocks.
Oh, it's on your nose, Rox. Let's see if Hobbs will lick it off your nose.
Give Hobbs the last lick, because that's really for Hobbs.
There is no last lick. That was just a slobbered up thing.
Poor Hobbsy boy. He wanna eat the cellophane. Hello guys, good evening sa tanan. Good evening sa lahat. My husband is planning to turn the fireplace. Be careful, huh? Did you remember how to turn it on?
It's getting chilly out. We light the fireplace. We don't use it that often because the fireplace heats up this room and tells the thermostat that the house is warm. And then the oil burner won't heat the rest of the house. So we don't use it too often.
Yeah, and also, gas is really expensive.
No, that's not really the reason we don't use it.
Yeah, because, explain why we don't use this. Because if we turn this on in a winter day, the whole house is cold.
I just said that, because the same room, the gauge that tells the oil burner that the house needs heat, thinks the house is warmer than it is because the room gets warmer, but all the other rooms in the house get cold.
Yeah.
So we don't use it that often.
It feels nice.
We put it on for now because it's getting a little chilly out, so it'll be nice. And of course, now Marianne's sitting in front of it, and Dimple's the first one to go join her in front of it. The other kids will come too. Bob's is just watching, jealous, because he sees. Even he's curled up under his blanket, but he's watching Mama jealous. And Roxy's on the other side of the couch waiting for me to go out, so I can have a cigarette and she can go out.
Okay, and then after that, Roxy need a pajama. Yun guys, ipatayin ko lang tong ilaw dito guys kasi ano. Ay. So yun, fireplace it is. The next day, so ngayon hinahanap ko si Mister kasi nawala na naman siya. Where are you?
It's not settled enough to know for sure. So we're going to wait, give it a couple of minutes. When it's settled, we'll check it again. And if it's still showing overfull, then I'll suck some more out.
Where is your camera?
Oh, behind you. You're taking a picture in your back of your head.
He's vlogging, guys. My husband is vlogging. You're vlogging? Okay, I will follow you with your vlog. He's trying, guys. He really is gonna go vlogging. So, yun. I'm vlogging, he's vlogging. Yan, pinabayaan ko lang siya, guys, kasi wala akong alam sa mga pinagagawa niya. Ito yung ano, guys, basura, itatapon yan kasi nga basura din ngayon. And ito, malapit na tayong matapos dito sa garahe. And kunting kimbot na lang tapos na tayo. And yun, inayos niya, nilagyan niya ng oil. Hopefully, okay, umandar naman. The greatest story, love herself. With the love of bliss, with the love of an angel. Always walk alone. And now that you're here with me, you'll always be. Na, na. I feel that I've always walked alone. Han, your wife need help. Your wife need help, bebe. Go to psychiatrist. Ay, nako. Ito yung buhay, guys. Kapag may sakit, ito na talaga. Wala na tayong magawa. Kasi yung sakit natin, guys, hindi na yan mawawala. Palagi na yan andyan. Kahit ano pang tablitas yung inumin mo, ganyan na talaga yan. Inatake na naman ako, guys. Kasi hindi yan magsilbi, guys. Yung mga vitamins dyan, mga ano pa niya, mga itlog at mga talong na gulay, na mga ganyan, kainin. Hindi yan makatulong, guys. Kapag may saltik talaga. Hindi na yan magbabago pa. O, diba? Ito, ang daming uwil naman itong nagtalsikan. No? Ay, Ginoo ko. Pagkatapos nito, magpunta na naman tayo sa oven. Kasi doon natin siya lutuin sa oven. So, guys, if you want your husband to do laundry, act like you have a Celtic.
What's in here?
Allah, that's a comforter, hon. Take it out if you want. Okay, guys. I don't wash the comforter yet.
Not wash yet?
Not yet. Oh, it's not yet? Yes, not yet. Maulan na panahon ngayon, guys. Mahangin, ulan. Maganda kasi umulan kasi almost 2 months din tayo walang ulan, ano? Yung talagang ulan na ulan. So, kaya yun, nag-enjoy na lang ako dito kahit ang utak ko na nabuburyo na talaga, guys. Kaya nakikita nyo naman ako, guys. Kapag buryong-buryo, guys, yung utak ko kahit ano ng mga pinagsasabi ko, mga pinaggagawa ko sa buhay. Kahit kanta, pinagdiskitahan ko na. So, yun, ang ganda lang dito kasi kapag may fireplace talaga, sobrang komportable. Yun, komportable. Kasi, masarap yung mainit. Sanay tayo sa init, diba? Galing tayo Pilipinas. So, kapag sobrang ginaw, yung katawan natin talaga parang, nanigas. Manigas talaga yun. Lalo na yung paa ko manigas. Kaya nga, andyan ako sa harap ng fireplace ngayon para naman maging okay yung paa ko kasi yun talaga paa yung ginawin ko. But anyway guys, salamat sa panonood. Kita-kits tayo next time. Bye! Salamat ng marami.